Ever wonder why German cars are so popular and coveted around the world? It's no coincidence. Germany's rich history in automobile production has made it a powerhouse in the industry. From the heart of Stuttgart to the bustling city of Wolfsburg, German engineering has set the standard for quality, innovation, and performance. In the late 19th century, Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler laid the foundations of what would become a global sensation. Their pioneering spirit still influences the designs and mechanics of the cars rolling out of German factories today. No matter if it's the affordable luxury of a Volkswagen or the unparalleled performance of a Porsche, German cars have a special place in the hearts of automobile enthusiasts. They offer a unique blend of practicality, elegance, and raw power. So let's gear up and take a thorough look at German cars, from the most affordable to the most luxurious. Let's start our journey with the most accessible German car, the Volkswagen. When we think of German automotive engineering, the Volkswagen immediately comes to mind. This brand, whose name translates to people's car, has been a symbol of affordable luxury for decades. Volkswagen was brought to life by the vision of Ferdinand Porsche in the year 1937. Porsche, an automotive engineer, had a dream of creating a car that was both affordable and reliable for the masses. A car that would break the barriers of luxury and make it accessible to all. This vision and passion led to the birth of Volkswagen, headquartered in the city of Wolfsburg, Germany. Over the years, Volkswagen has produced some of the most iconic and popular models in the automotive industry. The Volkswagen Golf, for instance, has been a household name since its launch in 1974. This car has become synonymous with reliability, practicality, and affordability, making it a favorite among many. The Volkswagen Polo, another popular model, stands out for its compact size, fuel efficiency, and affordability. Despite its compact size, the Polo doesn't compromise on comfort or luxury, offering features typically found in more expensive models. From the classic Beetle to the modern Tiguan, Volkswagen has consistently produced vehicles that embody the spirit of German engineering. They have mastered the art of creating cars that are not only practical and reliable, but also stylish and innovative. This blend of qualities is what makes Volkswagen a favorite among many drivers around the world. Volkswagen's commitment to affordability without compromising on quality and performance has made them the go-to brand for many looking for an entry point into the world of German cars. They are proof that luxury doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag. So whether you're a student looking for your first car, a family in need of a reliable vehicle, or a car enthusiast on a budget, there's a Volkswagen out there for you. Volkswagen, truly a people's car, offering German engineering at an affordable price. Moving up the price ladder, we arrive at the Bavarian Motorworks, or BMW. This brand, synonymous with sportiness and driving pleasure, has been setting the benchmark in the automobile world for over a century. BMW's story began back in the year 1916 in the heart of Germany, Munich, under the visionary leadership of Franz Josef Popp. This was a time when the world was at war, and BMW initially started as an aircraft engine manufacturer. But soon after the war, they shifted their focus to motorcycles and automobiles, birthing a legacy that would go on to redefine the world of motoring. Over the decades, BMW has produced some of the most iconic models in automotive history. One such model is the BMW 3 Series. This compact executive car, first launched in the mid-70s, has been a favorite among driving enthusiasts worldwide. It's a beautiful blend of power, handling, and luxury, making it a popular choice for those who enjoy a spirited drive. Then there's the BMW X Series, a range of stylish and sporty SUVs that have taken the world by storm. These vehicles provide the perfect balance of ruggedness and elegance, with the performance to match their striking looks. Whether it's the compact X1, the versatile X3, or the flagship X7, the X Series offers something for every SUV lover. BMW's cars are not just about performance and luxury, they are also about innovation. With a focus on sustainable mobility, BMW has been leading the charge in the evolution of electric and hybrid vehicles, with models like the i3 and the i8 pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In essence, BMW is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a symbol of German engineering at its finest, a brand that constantly pushes the envelope in terms of performance, luxury, and innovation. BMW, the perfect blend of luxury and sportiness, a testament to German engineering. Next on our list, we have the epitome of luxury Mercedes-Benz. This brand, renowned worldwide, has a rich history that dates back nearly 100 years. Conceived from the innovative minds of Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler in the year 1926, the brand has been a symbol of opulence, status, and timeless style. Mercedes-Benz, whose roots lie in the heart of Germany, Stuttgart, is a testament to the country's excellence in engineering and design. Stuttgart, a city known for its precision and dedication to quality, mirrors the ethos of Mercedes-Benz. The brand's commitment to manufacturing vehicles that are not just luxurious, but also reliable and technologically advanced is what sets it apart. Over the years, Mercedes-Benz has given us a multitude of models that have left an indelible mark on the automotive industry. One such model is the S-Class, a symbol of ultimate sophistication. Known for its elegant design, innovative technology, and unmatched comfort, the S-Class embodies what Mercedes-Benz stands for: unparalleled luxury. Now, let's not forget about the Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV, with its rugged charm and lavish interiors, has redefined the concept of luxury in its segment. The GLE is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a statement, a testament to the owner's taste for the finer things in life. What makes Mercedes-Benz truly unique is its unwavering commitment to creating unforgettable experiences. Every journey in a Mercedes-Benz is not just a drive, it's an experience, a memory. The brand's attention to every minute detail, its relentless pursuit of perfection, and its commitment to creating vehicles that are not just modes of transportation, but extensions of one's personality, are what make Mercedes-Benz a true icon. As we journey through the annals of Mercedes-Benz, we realize that it's not just about creating cars. It's about crafting experiences, cherishing heritage, and defining what true luxury means. Mercedes-Benz, creating unforgettable luxury experiences, a true icon of German automobiles. Finally, at the pinnacle of German automobile engineering, we have the Porsche. A brand synonymous with high performance, luxury, and style, Porsche has etched its name into the annals of automotive history. Founded in the year 1931 by Ferdinand Porsche, this brand has its roots firmly planted in Stuttgart, a city known for its rich automotive heritage. Ferdinand Porsche, an engineer with a vision, set out to create a car that would marry performance and luxury in a seamless union. This vision, this pursuit of perfection, is what continues to drive the Porsche brand to new heights. Over the decades, Porsche has given us models that have become icons in their own right. The Porsche 911, for instance, is a car that needs no introduction. Launched in the early 60s, the 911 has evolved over the years, but has always stayed true to its roots. Its sleek design, powerful engine, and unrivaled driving experience have made it a favorite among car enthusiasts around the world. Then we have the Panamera, a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation and luxury. Introduced in 2009, the Panamera broke the mold of what a luxury sedan could be. With its unique blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the Panamera has redefined the boundaries of automotive excellence. But Porsche is not just about the cars, it's about the experience. The thrill of the drive, the roar of the engine, the feel of the road beneath you. It's a symphony of sensations that come together to create something truly special. Each Porsche is a work of art, a masterpiece of engineering that embodies the spirit of its founder and the passion of its makers. As we look to the future, there's no doubt that Porsche will continue to push the boundaries, to innovate, and to inspire. After all, this is a brand that has built its reputation on doing just that. Porsche, where performance meets luxury, the ultimate symbol of German automobile craftsmanship. There you have it, a ride through the Autobahn of German cars. We've journeyed from the affordable luxury of the Volkswagen, born in the bustling city of Wolfsburg under the watchful eye of Ferdinand Porsche in 1937, to the pinnacle of performance, the Porsche itself, the pride of Stuttgart, conceived by the same visionary in 1931. We've felt the sportiness of the BMW, a product of Munich, brought to life by Franz Josef Popp in 1916. We've also savored the unforgettable luxury of Mercedes-Benz, a shining star from Stuttgart, the brainchild of Carl Benz in 1886. These German cars, with their rich history, have not only revolutionized the global automobile industry, but also shaped our perceptions of what a car can be. Whether it's their precision engineering, their innovative designs, or their relentless pursuit of performance, they have set the gold standard. German cars, from the most accessible to the most luxurious, truly embody the spirit of Vorsprung durch Technik, or progress through technology.